Ways of adjusting concealed hinges. There are 3 ways of adjusting Hettich concealed hinges for perfect furniture door alignment. Door overlay can be adjusted by turning the front screw. Depth. For example, the gap between the door and the cabinet is adjusted at an eccentric screw that is also located on the hinge arm. Door position can also be adjusted in height. This is done by releasing the mounting plate from the cabinet, allowing the door to be moved up or down by as much as 2 mm.